วัสดีค่ะ everyone Monday new recipe today I have feeling I want to eat seafood and the best way to cook seafood is barbecue since we don't have one this morning I found a new barbecue and now I can cook Miang Pla Pao which means grilled seafood and eat with fresh vegetables, rice noodle and Thai spicy sauce. Are you ready? Let's go! All-purpose flour, rice noodle, coriander, salad, Thai sweet basil, salt, and try to find a big one like this. Fish, mussel, seashell, shrimp, salt, palm sugar, lambs, coriander roots, chili, garlic, fish sauce, and palm sugar. When you go buy a fish, don't forget to tell the seller to remove the thing inside like this. And tell them do not remove the scale. First, you smash the lemongrass. Then do like this and then put inside the fish. It helps to make your fish smell good. And also use kaffir leaf too. And maybe I forget to tell you in ingredients. Before we are going to grill the fish, we have to cover it with flour and salt. Now the fish is ready. Time to grill it. And I have to say thank you to my lovely boyfriend that he the one taking care of the barbecue for me. Thank you. Let it cook for 10 to 30 minutes because for the fish it quite take time, but for shrimp, for seashell, for mussel, I think it's quicker than the fish. So keep your eye on it. While it's grilling, prepare the Thai spicy sauce. You want to have some, honey? I don't like when my shrimp is too cooked, so I flip it now. It smells good. It smells seafood. I like it. Oh. Look at this. Perfect cooking. I mean for me. And now I will dip on my spicy sauce. I will do for you. Put shrimp. Honey, you like Thai sweet basil?
Yes.
Coriander?
Everything.
Everything.
Noodles.
Oh yeah, noodles.
So.
Wait. Put a little bit more. This is very light meal, you know?
Yeah.
And I think it's healthy too. One, two, three. Oh. This one is, I think it's really fun if you eat with your friends.
Yeah. It's like very good to eat, but the same time, it's kind of a challenge to make it
Yes.
nice and everything. You know what's missing? You know what's missing? A good fresh beer.
And voila, bon appetit! Just a funny story. We actually already had a barbecue that we found in a very small local shop. She asked the lady if she had a barbecue to sell. She said no. And when she saw how sad he was, she proposed to sell her own, a very old barbecue. But 50 baht, $1.50 only. This is Thailand. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy a video. And click the bell to receive a notification when I add a new one. Also, chop that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next Monday. ขอบคุณค่ะ Bye bye. So this morning, we found a new barbecue. And now we can cook. I forget it. Just a funny story. We actually already something like that. Difficult, né?